Hello everyone! It's finally the weekend and I'm super excited to show you what I cook nearly every Sunday for my husband and me. It's my vegetable frittata. It's super easy to make and I know you're gonna love it, so let's go do it. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make this super easy vegetable frittata. This is actually just a base recipe, so use whatever vegetables you have in your refrigerator or that you find at the farmer's market. For more of my recipes, check out my website, mysweetgreek.com, or my other videos here.